Resurrection Sunday, y'all. Happy Easter. Y'all, let me tell you, my pastor talks about sometimes how when you get ready to go to church, the devil do everything to keep you from going. So I got up and I wanted to kind of like prep my meal, so I was going to put my ham on in the microwave. Speak, Manny. Y'all, went to go put the ham in the microwave. I'm sorry, not in the microwave. My ham in the crock pot. The ham was too big to go in the crock pot. So I had some oven bags. So the first oven bag, I put it in split. The second one, I had to get a real big one. Okay, that happened. Then I couldn't find this is a dress I bought several years ago. I couldn't find my white purse to go with the white sandals I have on. So my daughter ended up giving me, well, let me use one of her white purses. She says, oh, I said, I don't care, it's white. It ain't about me. But anyway, y'all, then I did my hair. Y'all know I do my hair the night before. Usually I get up early in the morning to do it, but I didn't. But I rolled my hair, but it was my fault because I didn't dry it at all. I just rolled it and laid down. But midnight to now, my hair not dry, and it's 8:30. Church started at 8:30 today, and I would have been on time. Then opened the door to get in the car to leave. My daughter parked behind me and she in the shower. I said, you know what? This is ridiculous. This is really, really ridiculous. Whew. Anyway, I'm going anyway. I know every time that happened to me and I get to church, the message got my name written all on it, y'all. Y'all ever been like that? But it's Resurrection Sunday, y'all. Happy Easter, everybody. Whew. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. All right, y'all. Have a blessed day. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye.
Need someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray.